Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm sharing this homemade flour bread. It's filled with cheese and walnuts, shaped like a beautiful sunflower, and has a soft, fluffy texture. These are the ingredients for this recipe: 217 grams of water, 100 grams of milk, 120 grams of oil. We are using 2 eggs for this recipe, one for the dough and one for the egg wash. 14 grams of instant yeast, 700 grams of flour, 14 grams of salt, 54 grams of sugar. For the filling, you can use a combination of walnuts and cheese or chocolate or jam. First, add the flour to a bowl. Next, add the instant yeast. Add the sugar. Next, add the salt. Then add the milk that's at the room temperature. Whisk 1 egg lightly and add to the dough. Then add all the oil to the dough. For the final step, add the water. I always say this in the bread recipe: never add all the water at once. Different flours absorb moisture differently, so you might not need to use all of it. Next, knead the dough by hand or with a stand mixer. I didn't add all the water at the beginning. At this stage, add the remaining water gradually depending on how the dough feels. As you can see in the video, the dough is ready. One way to check if your dough is well kneaded is the window pane test. Take a small pieces of dough and gently stretch it between your fingers. If it stretches thin without tearing and you can see the light through it, the gluten network is fully developed and your dough is ready. If it tears easily, it needs more kneading. Now grease a bowl with a brush, put the dough in and let it rest for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, your dough should have doubled in size. Use your hands to gently push the air out of the dough. This keeps the texture smooth and makes it easier to shape. Now divide the dough into 18 to 20 equal pieces, each weighing between 60 and 70 grams. Now gently shape each piece into a dough ball. Now cover the dough balls with a cloth and let them rest for 15 minutes. Grease your work surface with some oil. Now we are at the shaping stage. Line your baking tray with a parchment paper. Place one dough ball in the center. Take another dough ball, roll it into a circle and cut from the center. Add your favorite filling to the dough, then roll it. Important: keep the cut line of the dough at the bottom for a clean shape. As you can see in the video, our flour bread turns out like this. Let the dough rest for 15 minutes. At this stage, whisk the egg for the egg wash. For extra flavor, you can add a little vanilla powder or cardamom. I add some cardamom to give it a lovely aroma. Now let's start brushing the egg wash gently over the dough. Try to cover every part of the dough like painting. Our flour breads are now ready to go into the oven. Preheat your oven to 170 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes before baking. Place the trays in the oven and bake for 20 to 20 minutes. If you see the bread isn't golden enough near the end, you can turn on the grill for a few minutes, but be careful not to burn it. Your beautiful flour breads are now ready. Let them cool completely before serving. They are soft, fluffy, and smell amazing, perfect for sharing with family and your friends. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. If you have any questions, I'd be happy to answer them. And if you have any experience baking this bread, I'd love for you to share it in the comments. I hope you make this bread and enjoy all the positive energy and love that comes with it.